restoration project that we've embarked upon is restoring an older Bronco, the square body with the rounded fenders.
Every time we see one, we usually go after it. Just everybody's after the old ones now.
It had no engine, no doors. The biggest challenge of this whole thing is the body. This body had quite a bit of corrosion on it. Ford for sure meets all the criteria of the folks that live here. It's made in America.
It's great to see the amount of Ford vehicles around here, even the anticipation of the Bronco.
Once they restore this, I would want to see the 70s style, kind of bring it back how it used to be.
One of the things that we would like to do is bring awareness to the various local charities and veterans groups and make sure that they benefit from us financially from this project.